Hey guys, welcome to yet another video of CSS Battle on this YouTube channel Web Tutorials. If you have not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe now. Hit the like button and share this to as many friends as possible. In this video, we will be attempting to solve the target 11, which is Eye of Sauron. This is what we'll be trying to get. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, then let's have a p tag. Let's divide this problem into three parts. One is the center part, which has this three concentric circles, and then you have the left and the right, which are identical. So we'll code once and we'll just duplicate it again. So let's have p tag for the center part. Let's give it style tag, and for p tag, let's have uh, height 0, width 0. You have border 25 pixels, solid, color to be at, that's not the color, this is the color. Then you have border radius 50%. Let's center align. Let's put the body tag. You have display type to be flex. You have justify content center align items center. I hope this is exact center. Yes. So now we'll add the concentric circles using box shadow. So you have box shadow. The first parameter is your x, how much distance from x you want the shadow to be, and the y. So we want it center, so we are not moving anything. What should be the spread is the third parameter, and how much pixel is your fourth parameter. So we need 25 pixels, I guess. Yeah, this looks like 25 pixels, right? So 25 pixels, we need the color to be this, and then we can give another box shadow of 0, 0, 0. I think this is less than 25 pixels, so this should be 20 pixels, and the color would be this yellow. So 20 pixels on top of 25 pixels, so it should be 45 pixels. I think we've got the center circle perfectly. So yeah, that's it for the center. Now let's do the right and the left. For that, let's put a div element. The reason I want to give it a div element is I want to uh, give it a height and the width, and hide everything that goes beyond the height. So basically it is hidden. Correct. So you can have the p tag inside the div. Ultimately you're going to get the entire p tag inside the div. So let's do the div tag coding. We want the position to be absolute, so it is center aligned. We want height to be 50 pixels, width to be 100 pixels. In order to understand it, let's delete this p tag inside first, and let's give it a background green. This is just for our understanding. So what we are going to do now is we are going to put p tag inside it. And we are going to say overflow hidden. So basically it's cutting everything. So for div p tag, So p tag inside the div element. I don't want the third box shadow, so let's give it. Let's have the border. Control C, and let's have one box shadow. Control C. Yeah. So the border, the center is of the color dark. Let's give it dark, and the outside is of the color yellow. So let's give it yellow, and we know that that is a 20 pixel. And the outer circle, inner circle looks a little bit bigger. I think it should go to 30 pixels. So now if we see this div element, it's having this space over here. So basically it's taking 20 pixels of the box shadow is not counted as a part of the width. So we need to put a margin of 20 pixels. Margin, you can say auto. I'm not sure. 20 pixels. I think that sounds right. So basically we are trimming the entire box. So instead of having a 100 by 100 pixel box, which would give you a perfect circle, we are going to put it as a 50 pixel, and we are giving a margin of 20 pixel from top, left, and right and bottom. So you have this cool perfect. So if we remove the green color background, it should give you the shape, and next thing that remains is to transform it. So we need two elements of this. So let's put a style in here. Style. We need to transform. Translate. Yeah, minus 100 pixels. Huh. 25 pixels. Okay, for this we also need to rotate. Rotate 180 degree. I think it's in the right position. Yes. So what we'll be doing is like we'll be copying this again, the entire div tag with the p tag, and we won't be giving a rotate this time. So we want on the top, and we want to be 100 pixels on the right and minus 25 pixels so that it goes on the top. I think this is a perfect solution. Now all we have left to do is add a background to the body. So we can do that here. Say body bg color is equal to, let's add the background color. Yeah, that's it. To reduce the size of the code, we can delete this p tag, closing p tag, closing p tag, closing p tag, display flex. Line item center. The last properties, you can delete the ending quotes, I mean semicolon. I told like we're not going to optimize this code for the shortest line of code, but CSS battle, let's see how we can do that. So one of the ways, like by reducing all your white spaces, unwanted white space characters can be removed. And we had a record of previously getting to 501. Let's see how close we can get. How much of the smaller the size of the lines you have written or the code you have written, the faster your page loads on the website. So ultimately, but this makes it like non-readable. So this is not for, so as a developer or in a production on in a development environment, this is not the right way. But on the production server, this is the way you need your codes needs to be so that your page can load faster. So I just wanted to stress on that this particular point. We have reduced our code to 466 characters. Let's submit and see. This should be a 100% match. I don't see any difference. Yeah, that is a 100% match. Cancel. That's a 100% match with 466 characters. In the next video, we'll be attempting to solve the wiggly mustache. Um, it is almost similar to this one. We can play with the div and the p tag for wiggly mustache, and so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that we can cover you can see the wiggly mustache as soon as it is available. So thank you and have a great day.